How to sign into TD Bank online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about signing or logging into TD online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and simply go ahead and type in TD Bank online banking in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites from where you need to click on the initial one that is indicating TD Bank online banking. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the official website of TD Bank, where you have to first locate the login portal and type in the username in the first field, then followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And check this box of Remember Me if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or the password, simply go ahead and click on this link of Forgot Username and the Password. Then get help with username, password, or both username and password. Enter your SSN, that is Social Security Number, in the first field, followed by the account type. Select any option according to your preference and enter the other details, follow the on-screen instructions, and you will be able to retry or reset your username and the password both. So this was all about how to log into TD online banking account. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.